Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create the zombie look on Dress to Impress. So first, go to the hair. I did my makeup already. So we're going to use this for the braids. You're just going to color it pink, but just a little bit darker, just a little bit. Then you're going to select any hairstyle that you want. I'm just going to use these ones. These like messy ones, maybe add like for some front pieces. Should I add this? I'm just gonna add that. Okay. Then you're going to walk here and you're going to select this dress. First you're going to color it white for like the bones. Then for this part, you're going to color it the same color as your skin tone. Just gonna make it a little bit darker. Then I'm going to color the last one like this red color. Then I'll select this dress, select type 2 and select the color of like blood as well. That is it. You can use shoes if you'd like to, but I think this effect is a little bit better. You can also like add in some more stuff here. Make it the same color as like your skin. Just play around with it, honestly. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.